So guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And I can see you people can guess which video I am making. You can see whiteboard. Okay, come. Let's see. Today get talk. Teacher act. I'll try to act like a teacher, okay? I am not a teacher, but I'll try to act like a teacher. Come on, with gag. Topic is distraction is a choice. Okay? Distraction is always a choice. If you want to get distracted, you'll get distracted. Focus on goal and pursue it. Commitment to not get distracted is undoubtedly the key to success. If you want to get success, you should always remember not to get distracted. There is one story actually. A lot of people know that story. Okay. Actually, today OTM gag is little bit difficult to speak. For example, what is distraction? Let's know what is distraction. When our attention gets diverted from the activity we want to do, we are distracted. The object, the person, or the thought. Okay. For example, I'll give you an example of Vishwamitra Muni. Okay. Vishwamitra was like he do so much tapas and all. Okay. To get to what. And one fine day he heard a sound of Menaka coming from a distance. She was sent by Indra to get Vishwamitra distracted. So, only by listening to the ankle sound, his imaginative fantasies fired. He gave into it. So, and he got attracted. He indulged with her and gave her a baby named Shakuntala. Okay. So he had a choice. Means उसके पास choice था to not get distracted विश्वामित्र के पास but still he given to the distraction because while he was sitting in वो फॉरेस्ट पर ही बैठा था उसको जंगलों के प्राणियों का पक्षियों का सबका आवाज़ सुनाई में दे रहा था उसने सिर्फ एक पायल की आवाज़ से उसको डिस्ट्रैक्ट होना था इट्स लाइक ए चॉइस ही हैड चॉइस टू नॉट गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड बट ही गॉट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड आइदर वे इट वॉज नॉट हिज सराउंडिंग उसके आसपास का ये कारण नहीं था या वी कैन नॉट ब्लेम ऑन अदर थिंग्स दैट आई गॉट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इट वॉज अवर ओन चॉइस हमारे हमारे खुद के चॉइसेस हमें अफेक्ट करती है सो डिस्ट्रैक्शन इज़ बाई चॉइस इट्स नॉट टू ब्लेम एनी वन एल्स इसके वजह से मैं डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गई या नहीं हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन हमेशा रहता है डिस्ट्रैक्ट होना है नहीं होना ओके इट वॉज नॉट इवन मेनका हु वॉज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डिस्ट्रैक्शन वही it was me Vishwamitra himself responsible to get distracted and he made the wrong choice actually distraction is a choice but one has to be aware of how to make that unconscious choice हमारे पास हमेशा डिस्ट्रक्शन का ना होने का चॉइस होता है लेकिन उस चॉइस को हम सोच समझ कर लेना पड़ता है ठीक है आज के लिए teaching job is done okay and it's like today OTM goggles are not coming properly anyways I'll stop this hope you guys like my get talk video and little bit meaning because nowadays distraction is main problem in youth so we should not get distracted by anything or anyone else if you like my video please like share subscribe and comment